Are you also using Instamojo as your payment gateway? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create or update GoHighLevel contact on Instamojo payment. So here I'm running a business and I use Instamojo as my payment gateway. And here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new payment, then automatically the person who has made the payment should be created as a new contact in my GoHighLevel account as well. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Instamojo with my GoHighLevel account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this amazing automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So I run an online business and I use Instamojo for payments, and it's important for me to keep my customer information updated in GoHighLevel. So by automatically creating or updating a GoHighLevel contact whenever someone makes a payment on Instamojo, I can ensure my CRM is always up to date without any manual effort. This helps me organize my customers better, send them targeted follow-ups, and provide a seamless experience. For example, after a payment is made, I can immediately send a thank you message, share product access, or schedule future communication, making my workflow smoother and more professional. So now firstly here in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I've already built by simply connecting my Instamojo with my GoHighLevel account using an automation software. So now here to see the working of this amazing automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to make a test payment over here using this Instamojo payment page, and after making this payment, we are going to check that whether a new contact is created for that customer in our GoHighLevel account or not. So for that, we are going to make a test payment over here. So here I'm going to click on this pay now, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as demo, last name as lead, email as demolead@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter random phone number. Then I'm going to click on this proceed to pay. And then here it is asking me to select a payment method. So here for the payment method, I'm going to select the method as credit or debit cards. And then here I'm going to enter the card details. And now here after successfully entering the card details, I'm going to click on this pay given over here. And then here it is asking me to enter the OTP. So here I'm going to enter the OTP to complete this payment. And now here after entering the OTP, I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see the payment is successful. That means here we have successfully placed a test order, or you can say we have successfully made a test payment over here. So now let's go and check our GoHighLevel sub account. So this is my GoHighLevel sub account with the name Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to refresh my window. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name demo lead and a random phone number and the email as demolead@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this automation by simply connecting your Instamojo account with your GoHighLevel sub account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen, you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create or update GoHighLevel contact on Instamojo payment. So this is my workflow name, and then here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder with the name automations, and here you can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and by clicking on this it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Instamojo, as I am using Instamojo as my payment gateway over here. So Instamojo is a platform that makes it easy for businesses and individuals to sell products and services online. It allows you to create payment links, set up an online store, and accept payments securely. So here in my Instamojo trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new sale, so that whenever a new sale is made through our Instamojo, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here you can see after selecting the trigger event, I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Instamojo with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Instamojo account. So this is the dashboard of my Instamojo account, and here under smart pages you can see all the payment pages that I've created using Instamojo. So here in this particular case, I'm going to use a page which is named as Natural Glow Skincare Face Toner. So this is the particular payment page. So here I'm going to click on the three dots, and from here I'm going to select edit page. Now here under this edit setting, you can see we have received the option for page settings here in the left side bar. So here I'm going to select it, and here under page settings you can see we have received the option for webhook over here. So I'm going to click on it, and here under webhook you can see it is asking us to enter the webhook URL. So here I'm going to remove this previously existing webhook URL with the new webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is the new webhook URL, and then here it is asking me to select the information to be sent. So here in this information to be sent field, I need to select the trigger event on which I want to receive a response to this webhook URL. So here for this information to be sent, I'm going to select my trigger as successful payments, so that whenever a successful payment is made through this payment page, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to receive a response on this particular webhook URL. And now here after entering the webhook URL and the information to be sent, I'm going to click on the save and update given over here. And with this, we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Instamojo, or you can say we have successfully connected our Instamojo account with Pabbly Connect. So now here I'm going to open this page in a new tab over here. Moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to make a test payment through our Instamojo payment page. So for that, let me take you back to my payment page. So this is my payment page, and from here I'm going to click on this pay now. And again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as customer, email ID as dummycustomer@pabblytudes.com, and then here I'm going to enter random phone number, and then here I'm going to click on this proceed to pay. Here I'm going to select my payment method as credit or debit cards, and then here I'm going to enter my card details. So here I've successfully entered the card details, and now I'm going to click on this pay given over here. And then here it is asking me to enter the OTP. So here I'm going to enter the OTP to complete this payment over here. So here I've successfully entered the OTP, and now I'm going to click on the submit given over here. And here you can see the payment is successful. That means here we have successfully made a test payment, or you can say we have successfully placed a test order in our Instamojo. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the seller account ID, payment status as success. Scrolling a little down, here you can see the payment ID. Here you can see the payment amount. Here you can see the page ID. Scrolling a little down, here you can see some other details such as buyer's phone number, customer name and the email address. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new payment through our Instamojo, I want to create that customer as a new contact in my GoHighLevel account as well. So for that, I need to connect my GoHighLevel account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Lead Connector V2, because here in Pabbly Connect, instead of searching for GoHighLevel, you have to search for Lead Connector V2 in order to connect your GoHighLevel account with Pabbly Connect. So GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform that helps businesses manage their customers and grow sales. It combines tools like CRM, marketing automation, sales funnels and appointment scheduling in one place. So here in my Lead Connector V2 action step, I'm going to select my action event as create or update a contact, so that whenever a new payment is made through our Instamojo, then automatically the customer is going to be created as a new contact in our Lead Connector V2. That means in our GoHighLevel sub account. So now here to connect my GoHighLevel with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Lead Connector V2 account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Lead Connector V2. And then over here it is asking me to select the account. So here, in order to create a new contact under that particular sub account, I'm going to select my sub account which is named as Pabbly Connect over here. So this is my sub account, so here I'm going to select it. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the first name, last name, full name, email, phone number and some other details as well. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic, so that whenever we are going to receive new payment through our Instamojo, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here you can see it is asking me for the first name, last name and the full name. So now here, instead of mapping the first name and the last name, here I'm going to map the full name together. So here for the full name, I'm going to search for the buyer's name. This is the buyer's name, so I'm going to map it. Moving forward, here for the email, I'm going to search for the customer's email. So this is the customer's email. Here for the phone number, I'm going to search for the phone number. So this is the phone number. Moving forward, again this location ID is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank, but if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. Here for the address, I'm going to search for the address. So here you can see we haven't received any address over here, so we are going to leave it blank. Same for the city, country and the state. Scrolling a little more down, here you can see some other fields as well. So again these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our GoHighLevel sub account for the new payment received through our Instamojo. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name dummy customer and a random phone number and the email as dummycustomer@pabblytunes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up this entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Instamojo and our action as Lead Connector V2, that is GoHighLevel, so that whenever you're going to receive new payment through our Instamojo, then automatically the customer is going to be created as a new contact in a GoHighLevel sub account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create or update GoHighLevel contact or Instamojo payment. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.